back to the channel, everybody. It is the day after Thanksgiving. Hopefully everybody had a good Thanksgiving, but it is the day after Thanksgiving. I just got back home from my mom's house, and bro, check this out. I've been home less than 3 hours. Look at who got me already. Freaking birds. That's gonna take some time. Anyway, today I took the day off of work just because I wanted more chill time after Thanksgiving. But after being on the game a little bit, I decided why not just start trying the tent today again and hopefully actually get it done this time. Last time was my first time doing it, so the faults in it could be easily fixed this time. You know, I know exactly what I need to do. I know exactly what I need. You know what I mean? So hopefully today goes way better than last time. And it's not cooled out. You know, it's not cooled out. It's like hoodie weather, but there's no breeze and it's not cold. So you should be able to knock this out the park for sure. But we do have to make 2 stops before we start doing any of this tent stuff, unfortunately. That car still is my baby. Like, I can't part with it, man. I can't part with it. Like, I tried to sell it. I just can't bring myself to do so. But I've tried to like sell the car. Like, I just can't do it. One, it's not worth selling. Meaning, like, nobody's gonna buy it for the price that I'm gonna let it go for, rather than me just keeping the car. Like, it's a second car, regardless. Alright, so me and Heem literally just went to AutoZone and picked up tent. So we both got these right here, which is, I hope, all we need. Just this one roll of tent. And basically, we're gonna go 5%, but we got one roll of tent now. I got another roll, it's still the same 5%, but they didn't have a lot, like, crazy quantity of tent there. So we just picked all that up from AutoZone. And our goal today is at least just to get, you know, our windows done. So for me, I'm just worried about this right here, just this part of my window. If I can get both of those, that'll be clutch. He's gonna do all 4 of his, because he has a sedan. He's gonna do all 4 of his doors. Hopefully he has enough. It's now 2:07. My plan is just to basically place it so I can cut it out on each window, and then just work from there. Basically, once I cut it out from each window, my plan is basically just get it done, bro. I think cutting it out is gonna be my worst part. And like I said, me and he both got this tip first. It's 5% and it's like, it says 50% cool. Or heat rejected. Hopefully I don't have to use this one, because this is going, well, it's not even that bad, bro. It's 42. So even if I ran out, it wouldn't be that big of a deal. 42% heat rejected, so. You should just bum this out though. What? Put blue cheese on your seat? That's why you keep napkins in your mouth. You got water in your car at least? I just used it. So bro, I just watched the whole video just to refresh my memory. It shouldn't be that hard. Basically what we gotta do is just put the film up like we did last time, instead of you moving it this time now, and then just cut out the shape of the window. But a little bit more than that. It look like somebody took bites out of my film. Bruh, I don't know if the camera gonna pick that up. Yeah, all these bite marks in the film. while you pulling off so don't fold on me.
Hey, yo.
Grab it. Hey, yo.
That's what I said. Yo.
Just grab him. Grab him. Grab him, you freak. Why would you? What you waiting for?
Oh, I didn't know it was going to stick.
Bro, you so weirdo, bro.
No, I'm thinking you talking about grab this sticky stuff. I mean, the stuff that we put on.
This is the sticky stuff.
Nigga, I didn't know it stick. I don't know about this.
I know. Damn. That's so muddy. So basically, we got the in here, but I didn't squeegee the right way. So basically, I was squeegeeing all the bubbles up, which is like stupid because then it was running down, which is why all them lines kept coming in here. Like right here, it's cool going to the side. You don't realize how much force you gotta use because I'm using force, bro. It look bad from out here.
Oh, yeah, look bad.
It look like a homemade tint job, which is what it is. So I don't feel as bad.
And there, you gonna wind up peeling that shit off.
I'm not gonna peel it off because it literally took me 2 hours.
For one joint.
For one joint. The other joint not gonna take that long because I know how to do it now. The way we just peeled it, instead of me peeling it from side to side, I should have peeled it from top to bottom and laid it from top to bottom, literally. That's what it was, because the bubbles you can scrape down.
Just take the window off.
From here, you can't see it on the camera. From here. second window. He did it I did a way better job than the first job. It couldn't catch the bubbles on the first one. So I don't know if that makes sense. Shoot on this one. But literally, this one is the only one that I can't. You can see it clear as up. This one is the only one I can't get out. So I had to finish cutting like the bottom of it because it was extra vinyl on this joint. Like, the whole time I'm squeegeeing, I'm thinking the vinyl was this part, like this trim right here. It was all vinyl. So now I'm squeegeeing the rest of it out. Other than that, though, it's a fire job. Ooh. I can't wait to get pulled over. Bro, your window down. I can't. I just did this job.
Can't do it yet.
I can't roll it down yet. Oh God, bro, this is the horrible job that was done, and it's making me mad. But you win some, you lose some, as long as you learn from it. This side, which I did learn from it, is all good, but still, this part got a little chewed up when I was taking off the protective layer. But it's still a way better job than this one. Wait, outside you can see it. You can see. Like, it's a way better job. If it wasn't for this, which is just annoying. It's like somebody pinched it, and just me being a dickhead cutting. Like, that's gross, bro. But I'm talking about as far as the bubbling out and actually laying it down, bro. And legit, just to sum up the day, so me and he went to AutoZone to get our tint stuff. Cause like I said, we just said, hey, why not do the tint today, bro? We ain't doing nothing. Why not do the tint today, bro? I started on the passenger side window, and like I said, like, from last time, I learned what I needed to do. I learned the stuff I needed. I learned what I needed to do. Blah, blah, blah. It was all good. Boom. Started that side. And on that side, the one thing that I just went dumbly stupid on, after you take the protective layer off of the tint, like after you cut it and everything, you take the protective layer off the tint. That is the most stressful and like most important, I would say. That is the most important action that you need to do. Because after you take that protective layer off, it's extremely sticky after you take that protective layer off. So like, you got to get it right, unless you keep the solution just soak in the window, so you can be able to do all that and solution like the actual tint. I was just being a dummy for some reason, but for the most part, that's all that I got wrong. Like, I would do everything else again, but I'm running out of time. Like I said, that took me 3 hours to learn how to do it on that window. So it's the little bubbles and stuff like that. Like, I posted pictures and stuff, and I'm putting it in the video. But this side I got right. This side I got right as far as putting the solution on the window and the tint to be able to maneuver and stuff like that. So everything on this window is fine. The only thing that I jacked up on this window was on this part, just not catching it fast enough to where the same thing I did on that side, where it was like I said, I solutioned the whole thing, so I'm still able to move it around, but I just ignored this part for some reason. Like, you can see it, like right, ooh, I can't get it, right there, you can see it a little bit. This part right here is the only piece that clenched up a little bit, but other than that, the rest of the window is flat and even, bro. Next time I do it, which is going to be soon, because I don't like that that's like that, bro. Like, I'm only leaving it there just to make sure I know and remember what I did. When you learning something new, it's just the trials and error stuff that you gotta go through. So that was just one of these days. So basically, I'm good. Like, I'm gonna keep them up just so I can be motivated to pop more tint and keep doing this and just try again. But that's the only reason I'm leaving them up. Like, I don't think it looks good at all. Like, just those little pinches suck, bro. And the last stop we gotta make, throw this trash away. Like, so much film wasted just because I didn't remember that once you take that protective layer off, it's garbage now. If you don't put it right on the window, or if you like, if it touches anything else, it's gone. Like, but I do count this day as a victory still. Like I said, I learned how to do it, and next time I do it, it's gonna be A1. This is exactly how the last video ended, but difference is I actually got something done today, so I'm extremely happy. But bro, look how dark it is in here. It's crazy. But that's it for today. I'll see y'all later.